Hi sewing friends, this video is all about the new Love Notions pattern Muse Blouse. In this video, we're going to show you all of the tester versions. This is a lookbook for the Muse blouse so that you can get inspired to sew your own Muse blouse. This has all of the tester fabric selections, all of their sizing, all of their adjustments so that you can get inspired and make one of these lovely blouses for yourself. We know that the hardest part of starting any project is picking out the fabric and the options. So this video gives you lots of ideas and inspiration for combining that fabric, those options, and this beautiful pattern together. And I think it's fitting, isn't it, that we named this pattern Muse. A muse is something that inspires you, and I think that this pattern will really inspire you to get into your sewing space and start sewing things that you love to wear. So make sure that you stay tuned to the lookbook section of this video so that you can see all of the sizes, all of the fabrics, and all of the options that our testers chose to make with their version. This is a blouse sewing pattern. It's meant for woven fabrics, and it features 3 body styles, 3 different sleeve options, and 2 different neckline options. This is just a classic woven blouse. And if you're familiar with our Rhapsody pattern, some people have been saying it's sort of like a cousin to the Rhapsody pattern, and I think that's a really great comparison. This pattern has 2 different neckline styles. I'm currently wearing the ruffle neckline, and we also have a simple collar neckline. They both feature this gorgeous V-notch faced neckline. This has a darted bodice, so it's a little bit more fitted on the top, but it does have a nice open flowy bottom depending on which hem style you pick. So you can do the balloon hem, which gives you a nice cute little drawstring at the bottom and is sort of gathered in at the bottom. You can also do the plain straight hemline, or you can do the fun skirted option. And as far as sleeve styles, you can choose from a lovely lantern sleeve, a short sleeve, or a balloon hem sleeve, which ends right at the elbow. During this release, we are so excited to have a little bit of a promotional offer for you as you pick up this new pattern. You can get the digital version with an instant download for $3 off during the release sale. And we are super excited because we are also able to offer Muse as a printed pattern. We're doing a pre-order for this. We've never done a pre-order for a printed pattern before, but let us do the printing and the taping so that you don't have to worry yourself with those sorts of things. And we will get this sent off to you as soon as the pre-order arrives, which should be in early March. So if you are a print pattern person, this is going to be right up your alley, and it includes the digital version as well as a beautiful booklet with printed directions, really clear and easy to read, as well as all of the large format sheets with all of the options and sizes included. Our printed patterns have been doing so well, and we hope that you take advantage of this. If this is something that you would normally send off to the printer or near you, let us do the printing for you, and you can get a great deal during the release. So grab this pattern while it's on sale, and now take a look at all of the tester versions of the Muse blouse, and we hope that this becomes your muse to get inspired in your sewing space. Let's start off strong with Tammy's versions of Muse blouse. She sewed a balloon sleeve version with the balloon hem in a linen blend from Serge. She sewed a size small with the simple traditional collar, and this collar looks so good on her. She also sewed another version in this gorgeous floral rayon challis from Art Gallery. Again, another size small, but this time she did the ruffle collar with the lantern sleeve and the skirted. This one took my breath away. I love the fit and the combo of options on this one. Katie sewed an extra small with the short sleeve skirted version in an Indian cotton block print. Kelsey sewed a extra small with the lantern sleeve. It's a skirted version and a homespun cotton from Hobby Lobby. Debbie sewed her Muse blouse in a size small with the balloon sleeve in the skirted version in a rayon challis that's so bold and vibrant. Carol sewed hers in a size medium with a full bust, again the balloon sleeved skirted version, but she shortened hers 3/4 inch for her 5'4" height. Jess stuns in this coral colored cotton gauze. She sewed a 4X with a full bust adjustment to a 5X at the waist hip, lantern sleeve balloon hem, and she did lengthen it for her height. She also created another version in this blue fabric. It's in the same sizing, lantern sleeve balloon hem, but she did not lengthen one, so you can kind of see the difference. This was sewn in a cotton voile, and she paired it with her Bridget trousers. Kim sewed so many different Muse blouses. She just really got a kick out of this pattern. She sewed a size large with the balloon sleeve. This is a skirted version as well as a straight plain hem, and this is in a chiffon. Her favorite version is this one in a rayon challis, same sizing, but this time she used the balloon sleeve with the balloon hem. Now, Katie sewed just a classic blouse here with this rayon challis from Raspberry Creek, size small, short sleeve, plain, just a basic, beautiful top. She also couldn't resist sewing one for her daughter in this lightweight chambray from Raspberry Creek, this time with the lantern sleeve, and she paired it with the caprice skirt. Livia made several stunning Muse blouses. This one is the balloon sleeve with the skirted version. If you can believe it, this is an upcycled cotton from a kid's bed sheet. Talk about using what you have. Love this. She also created another version with the ruffle neckline. I love the cute tassel detail that she added at the top. This is the straight hem with short sleeves. Yvette's ready for Easter. Size 3X short sleeve, plain bodice in a crepe polyester paired with her gorgeous crescendos. I love the print on this shirt. Happy Easter. Marianne also sewed several different versions of this pattern. She sewed a size extra large to 2X at hip with a full bust adjustment. This one is a balloon sleeve with a straight body, and it is in a lightweight voile clip dot. Her next version is in a gorgeous rayon crepe, extra large to 2X again at hip, balloon sleeve with the ruffle neckline this time and the skirted body. And then you know that it's great when she breaks into the good stuff because she's using her rifle paper rayon challis here. This one is shortened 1 inch. We have to do a shout out for Lorraine because she took these pictures in -20 degree weather. So thank you so much, Lorraine. This is 2X to 4X with the full bust adjustment, balloon sleeve, balloon hem, and in a cotton. Kayla's version here is with the balloon hem with the lantern sleeves, large bust to 2X hip in a rayon. She also sewed another version in this stretch woven from Styled Magnolia in a short sleeve straight hem version. Lynette sewed a 2X with full bust adjustment in the short sleeve straight hem with 100% cotton from Hobby Lobby. Lori has a small lantern sleeve shortened 2 inches for her sleeves with a straight hem body shortened 1.5 inches in a poly woven from Millie Mae. Heather's got a size large with a full bust adjustment, balloon sleeve, and balloon hem, plus 1 inch on the bodice in a lightweight rayon, as well as in a lightweight cotton lawn. And lastly, Noreen sewed for her daughter-in-law Zoe a size medium with the lantern sleeve, balloon hem, plus 1 inch in a lightweight woven. Thank you so much to our wonderful testers. We so appreciate all of the work that you put in. Our testers are paid, but we really appreciate all of the dedication that they put into making our patterns as beautiful as they are. Enjoy the newest pattern release from Love Notions. We cannot wait to see your Muse blouse. Make sure to tag at Love Notions whenever you post your final makes. And thank you so much for sewing with Love Notions. Bye.